everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you one of my favorite puddings or breakfasts, and this is a buckwheat pudding. This is a gluten-free, extremely healthy dish. If you're following me for some time, you know that I love buckwheat and I'm trying to utilize it in as many recipes as possible. So let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are quite simple. We will need 4 cups of whole milk or 1 liter, 25 grams of stevia sugar, I use here 2 tablespoons, 100 grams of organic dried cranberries. I'm using cranberries because they're very sweet and naturally sweet, so you have that very nice flavor in the pudding. So here I have about a half a cup of organic cranberries, just a little bit of organic butter to butter the dish that I'm going to make the pudding, and 200 grams of organic buckwheat groats, or here I have about a cup of the buckwheat groats, just a bit of cinnamon as well, of ground cinnamon, to give that extra flavor. So these are the ingredients, and the process itself is very easy. Before starting anything, make sure to preheat your oven at 150 degrees Celsius, and let's get started with the process. So in the process, you will need to rinse the buckwheat, and after to combine the sugar with cinnamon, to add there the cranberries, and after that to add the milk and the buckwheat, just to give it a good stir for the sugar to dissolve, and after it's ready to go in the oven. So before putting the buckwheat with the milk in the dish, just make sure to butter it nicely. This will prevent from sticking. So just using your hand or a spatula, just spread around the dish all the butter. So this was my recipe of the buckwheat pudding. This is extremely healthy. I didn't use any sugar, so it's sugar-free. I just used the stevia natural sweetener. It has the natural sugars from the cranberries, so it's amazingly delicious and it smells delicious as well. You can make it in the oven basically, and you can freeze it. It's freezer friendly. You can keep it up to 1 month, or in the fridge up to 3 days. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new interesting and healthy recipe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.